Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Study at Ease. Today we are going to study the topic surface area of rectangular prism. What do you mean by the term surface area? Surface area is nothing but the outer surface of any object. So there comes the next term, that is rectangular prism. So what is a rectangular prism? Rectangular prism is nothing but a cuboidal shape. Some common examples to tell you, or the best thing, the textbook that you study from, it's a rectangular prism, it's a cuboidal shape. Then the tissue box that you see at home, etc. and etc. So there are so many things that look like a rectangular prism. Now, let's have a look at this picture. Now, this picture has 6 faces. Let's start counting. Now, I'm highlighting each one. Now, I'm highlighting the bottom one, the bottom face. Now, this face has an identical face on the top also. I'm highlighting both in the same color. So, these two faces will have the same area. Let's look at the other pair. Now, the side ones. Look at the side face. Now, there are two side faces. As I told you earlier, these two faces will also have identical area. That means the area will be equal. Last but not the least, we have the front one. This is the front face. And we have the back face. These two will also have the same area. Altogether, let's count. We have 2, 4, 6. We have 6 faces. Now, let's mark the different dimensions in this cuboid. The bottom line I've marked as length, which is denoted by L, the side by breadth, denoted by B, and the height, denoted by H. Now, let us see how to derive the formula for surface area. Okay. So first I'm going to calculate the area of the base. That is, if you see, it has the length and the breadth. So area of that rectangular face is length multiplied by breadth. If you look at the face 2, it is also a rectangular face which has the same dimension as that of the first. So that is also length multiplied by breadth. So together they will form 2 times L multiplied by B. Now, let us talk about the third side. Now, in the third side, you can see that if you're calculating the area of that rectangular face, you will have height as well as the breadth. So, the area of that rectangular face will be breadth multiplied by height. Similarly, the face 4, which is right opposite to it, that is also a rectangular face which has the same dimensions, height and the breadth. The area of that rectangular face will also be height multiplied by breadth, or the breadth multiplied by the height. So together when you write, it will be 2 times breadth multiplied by height. Now let us calculate the area of the fifth face. It has the dimensions, the length and the height. So the area of that rectangular face will be length multiplied by height. Similarly, we have the same identical face in the front, which is marked as 6. You can see it in the picture. It also has the same dimensions. So the area of that rectangular face is length multiplied by height. So together it becomes 2 times length multiplied by height. Now let us summarize. When you summarize, we write that surface area is equal to, we're going to write all the areas together, 2 times LB plus 2 times BH plus 2 times LH. So the surface area of a rectangular prism is given by this formula. I hope the topic is clear. If you have any doubts or suggestions, please do put your comments in the comment section. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much, and see you in the next class.